Hello, my friends. Welcome to today's English lesson. In this video, we will talk about a morning routine. I will speak slowly and clearly so you can listen, you can repeat, and you can practice English with me. Let's begin. Good morning. My day starts early. I wake up at 6 o'clock. I open my eyes slowly. I take a deep breath. I smile and say, "Today will be a good day." I get out of bed. I fold my blanket. I open the window. Fresh air comes in. I feel happy. My life is good. I go to the bathroom. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I feel fresh and clean. Then I drink a glass of water. It gives me energy. Sometimes I drink tea. Sometimes I drink coffee. After that, I take a shower. Warm water makes me relaxed. I wash my hair. I dry my hair with a towel. Then I get dressed. I wear clean clothes. I look in the mirror. I feel ready for the day. Next, I go to the kitchen. I make breakfast. Sometimes I eat bread and eggs. Sometimes I eat fruit. Sometimes I eat cereal with milk. I sit down and enjoy my breakfast. After breakfast, I check my phone. I read some messages. I look at the news, but I don't spend too much time. Then I make a plan for the day. I write my to-do list: work, study, house tasks, and exercise. I feel organized. Before I leave, I pack my bag. I check my keys. I check my wallet. I check my phone. Now I am ready. I go outside. The sun is shining. I take a deep breath. A new day begins. This is a simple morning routine. You can use these sentences every day. Listen again and practice. Speak slowly. Speak clearly and improve your English step by step. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson.